Okay, guys, welcome back from where we left just earlier. Yeah, because I have to wait for the installations complete. So once I finish the installation, so I want to show you another way of hosting it. Basically, which is you start with your XAMPP. So once you run your XAMPP server, you have something like that. This is the control panel. Now you can see that these are all the services. Yeah, I'm not running them for long, so I'm not going to start them as services. What we need now is a web server, and of all this, the Apache is a web server, so you just have to start it. Now, of course, if you see some error, then probably maybe there are some instances that has been running. So take note of that one. If it's a clean setup on a clean machine, basically, once you start, then this is what you get. Now, once you have this, I need you to click on Explorer. Explorer, all right. The folder that you need to look for is called the htdocs. Inside htdocs, all right, you will see that this is your web server. You can see that there are already some files here, yeah, which you can actually just open up a browser. In this case, you can just run a local host, and yeah, so if you can access this page, basically this page is the PHP running here. So if I'm not entering anything, so it will be this file. And of course, if you want to test out our program, what you need to do is just have to copy the file and then paste it into here. Let me see if I can paste it here. Let me open from the browser from my other folder. On my desktop over here, let me copy and then paste it here. Now, if you have two, this is inside the htdoc index. So let me try this. Uh, you can just replace this with index.html. Yeah, I can see the web page that we just done develop is already here, but yeah, you can see that there's no air, no, the earth image is missing simply because we did not put it here. So if you want, then you will have to copy the image here and then refresh again, then you see it here. Now usually people will manage this by putting this file into the image folder. Yeah, so you put it here instead of putting it right at the in the folder at the front, because it's going to be very messy. So once you do that, all right, and then you have to be careful with the path. So in this case, let me open with my another favorite of my tool is that you can use Notepad or a Sublime Text. Let me open up Sublime Text and show you. Okay, this is the Sublime Text program. You can actually use this. All right. So what you do, you can just quickly modify this file. You can see I'm inside this img folder, so you can just img slash. Now, if you don't save it, all right, otherwise the program will not be able to locate this one. Okay, the path again. Let me open a new one. Probably because due to cache, you don't see any problem. Yes, same thing again, because I moved the earth into the image directory. Yeah, and take note that I didn't save the file yet. So in this case, put this. Let me save this. After save, and let me refresh it. Yeah, so back to normal again. So this is how you manage your images, right? You can, or other resources that you want. You probably want to put them in a different folder. And this is index.html, which is the code that we actually created earlier just now. So you can use this. Just take care of the path. Yeah, take care of the path. So next, what is the things that we're going to do? We're going to host this to somewhere that into the internet, where everyone with internet connection can access our web page. Yeah, this is good for you. You need this to do your assignment. All right. So let me give you take a short moment. Please go and get yourself set up an account in GitHub. Yeah. So in my case, I'll sign in, and then I'll show you the steps on how to get this in. Two things. Okay. Before that, just two things. Just make sure you have this account, and then also install Git in your computer. So we're going to use a command line to do it. So it's much easier that way. All right. I will see you in the next video.